Hello, in front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the back button. Press and hold it to open the tools menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the crown button by rotating it to scroll through the menu, as you can see. So scroll through the menu, select the watch face option, and once you select it, press the crown button to enter. It will open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, you can press the crown button, and then you can select the color of the accents by rotating the crown button, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to confirm. As you can see, the watch face was applied, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.